Hello everyone, welcome to day 8 of our lesson, Speak English in a Better Way, in just 10 days. By following some conditions, you also get a chance to take free spoken English classes with me for 1 month. If you haven't gone through earlier lessons of this exercise, so I would suggest you to first look into it before you start with this lesson. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe my channel. So all you need to do is follow these 4 simple steps to speak English in a better way. Please go through these instructions carefully, and if you have any confusion, then please refer to the first part or leave a comment below. Remember that you have to follow this exercise for 10 complete days for better command on your English spoken. So let's begin. And read the passage carefully and record it to complete first step successfully. After you have recorded your audio, it's time for you to listen my audio. So here's my audio.
An iceberg needs to have a large base so as to be stable as it floats on the water. I believe that we should study it and emulate its shape. What can we learn from this shape? The answer is stability. Instead of the whole foam of the iceberg being exposed above the surface of the ocean, a large section of it always remains beneath the water. The iceberg displaces water, which then generates an upward buoyant force and keeps the iceberg afloat. Similarly, in life, as the part beneath the surface becomes bigger, the buoyancy will also become greater. The part that cannot be seen above the surface corresponds to the part of you that is not seen by others. Every single person has a surface self that others see and an inner self that is not visible to other people. Usually, those whose inner self is far larger than the surface self are considered to possess greatness of character. It is unlikely that you regard someone you can see straight through as worthy of admiration. A truly great person has profound inner depths and radiates a subtle, refined light. In short, greatness of character is dependent on the extent of a person's foundations, the part that remains hidden. Those who reveal only a fraction of themselves and have a vast amount hidden underneath maintain their stability. So, when you are working to create the foundations upon which to build your life, it is important that you remember to model yourself on the iceberg.
After listening my audio, listen to yours as well. Repeat this listening exercise for 3, 5 or 7 times depending on your level of understanding. Now it's time for you to record your audio again and make a comparison between your first audio and the audio that you recorded right now. Follow this exercise for 10 complete days to improve your spoken English. Now coming to the giveaway conditions that you need to follow to get free 1 month spoken English classes with me. Read them carefully, and if you have any confusion, leave a comment below. Results will be announced on 9th of August. Classes for the selected candidates will begin from 10th August. This was all about our today's lesson. Do let us know if you liked this video in the comments below. If the video was helpful, please like it and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.